I'm Preeti Jangyani and today I'm with you on Staying Alive in Bollywood. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my fitness regime. We're at my gym today. It's the Gold's Gym and we'll go and check it out. So I'm going to introduce you to my trainer, Alim. He's very upset with me because I'm not so regular with my workouts. But today he's going to take me through a little bit. Stretching is the most important thing and Alim's very particular about it. So I'm starting off with the lat pull down. This machine is called the lat pull down. It's for the back muscles. I think the most important part about weight training is the breathing as well. It's very important that you breathe correctly to get the weight training right. I got into fitness, well, quite a few years back. I realized that, we're in this industry and everybody's so conscious about their body. It's very important to have not just a thin body, but also you must look fit as well. I've always been lean. And what I needed to do really was weight training. So that's what I really concentrate on. Come, we'll do the next machine. This machine is called the dual axis row and the rear delt. This is for the back muscles and the chest or the back muscles. My cameraman is just so curious that he's read somewhere that weight training doesn't result in weight loss. Well, what I'm doing here today is not for weight loss. It depends. If you do really heavy weights, then you just tone up your muscles. And if you do really light weights, then it can help you in weight loss. So what I'm doing here today is not for weight loss. I've always been really skinny. So what I need to do is really tone up every time. And I think build strength. Weight training is all about building your strength. So we'll go on to the next machine. This machine is called the dual axis chest press. About the weights that I'm using, every body is different. So I don't think you should get carried away by some of the muscle men in the gym who are using really heavy weights. I think you need to gradually increase your weights. If you do really want to tone up and build your strength, then you need to really gradually increase your weights. And just like me, I'm doing a little light today because I'm working out after some days. So today it's a bit light. Let's go on to the next machine. It's not really important to have gloves, but why I'm wearing gloves is because women tend to have very delicate hands, and every time I do these weights and these machines, I tend to get a lot of corns on my hands, so that's why the gloves. And I just feel it helps me to get a better grip. Also, it's really important to have a trainer because I think you can end up doing stuff very wrong. Machines are very risky. You can end up hurting your back or your thighs. I know a lot of people who've had injuries. So I think it's very important that you get yourself a trainer. And if you get yourself a good one like Alim, then